everybody, this is Matt Shoup with C3 Real Estate Solutions, and I'm here today at 1712 Cottonwood Point Drive in the beautiful Cottonwood Point subdivision in Fort Collins. This home sits on the 18th fairway of the Fort Collins Country Club golf course, and just behind us here to the south and the west we have beautiful front range and mountain views as well as majestic views of the water. Let's go inside today and check out everything that this custom luxury home has to offer. Immediately upon entering the home, check out the open floor plan. Hardwood floors and in-floor radiant heating throughout the whole home. The open floor plan from the living room goes right into this entertainer's kitchen with a huge dining area, quartz countertops, tons of counter space, stainless steel appliances, 2 dishwashers, 2 ovens, a humongous walk-in pantry with coffee room. Lots of natural light enters the entire home throughout the main level. Let's go into the master bedroom to check out this humongous master suite, soft close cabinets, a steam shower, a big walk-in closet with a ladder, and more quartz countertops. Each bedroom in the home has its own full bathroom attached to the bedroom. One of the most wonderful features about this home is the elevator, which will take you from the basement to the garage to the main floor. The great thing about this elevator is it is ADA compliant. Let's go up to the second floor of the home to check out the office, family room, another large bedroom with a full bathroom attached, and we have to go out and check out this deck. This is one of my favorite places in the home, the upstairs deck and patio. To the south and west here, you have beautiful views of the foothills and the mountains, as well as the water. And again, just behind me, you have access to the Fort Collins Country Club. The country club, you can choose from anything from tennis to golf to exercise. Whatever you and your family enjoy, Fort Collins Country Club will build a plan that caters to that. We're close to the foothills and close to the water and just close to all of northern Colorado's lifestyle activities that they have to offer. Hey, thank you everybody for touring this magnificent home with me today. If you would like to take a private tour with me or receive any more information about this home, the Cottonwood Point subdivision, or the Fort Collins Country Club, reach out to me at the information below and I'd be happy to give you a tour. Thanks.